A U.S.-based company in Santa Fe, New Mexico called Earthstone International is turning glass trash from landfills into effective, everyday household cleaning products with no chemicals to harm you, your family, your pets, or the environment. The story about how these products are made is almost as good as how well Earthstone products perform inside and outside your home. The glass is ground down and a special non-toxic foaming agent is added. Ground into a fine powder, now the crushed glass looks and feels like baking flour. Our flour is then poured into large baking pans, or blanks. And now our Earthstone cake is ready to bake. We roll it into the big kiln at our Santa Fe plant, close the door, and fire up the kiln, baking the powdery mixture at temperatures as high as 1600 degrees. Just like a volcano that produces lava, mimicking the way nature makes pumice. When it's done, it's rolled out of the kiln, it cools, then the blocks are cut and wrapped into individual product stones. Now they're ready to be sold in stores and online across the US, Canada, Australia, and Europe. Remember, when you buy bath stone, grill stone, kitchen stone, pool stone, and quicksand products, you're reducing the glass waste in the landfills and eliminating the need to strip mine the mountains in New Mexico for pumice. Earthstone, approved by the Environmental Protection Agency and certified by other sustainability organizations.